Alright guys, so I'm here up in my attic right now. My furnace went out about 2 weeks ago. I was getting an indicator up here. This red LED right here is blinking 3 times, which indicated that my purge switch was stuck open. Went ahead and came over here, changed out my purge switch. Turned out that wasn't the issue. Did some more troubleshooting and found out that it was my motor. My motor is extremely loud, winding, and this pulley that, or I'm sorry, not the pulley, but the rod that connects the fan to the bearings and everything was actually extremely loose. I'm shaking this one now, and there's no sound from it. So my bearings were going out. Went ahead, went online. Cost me about $86 shipped to my house. Took about 3 days to get it. Got it off Amazon. And just installed it, and we're about to do the first test run right now. So let's see how it goes. Alright, as you can tell right now, this fan is extremely quiet. I have no rattling out of it, nothing. So let's take a look at the lights now. The light is solid so far. Let's see if the furnace kicks on. We got the glow. Igniter's coming on. There we go. Light is still solid. And let's wait for the motor, or now the fan, the exhaust fan, to kick on. Light is still solid. It's doing a hard reset. It's probably been a while since I had this thing kicking on. Alright, so it's doing the hard reset right now. Like I said, it's been off for about 2 to 3 weeks. The light is solid again. And there they go. Perfect. We'll hang out here for a bit. I just want to let you know that if your pressure switch is stuck open, do not change out your pressure switch first. I'm out $25 now for me changing that. It was absolutely not the wrong part. The turnout is my motor. Hope you guys have the same good luck as I did. Alright, see ya.